Passage 20. The stars. The stars are tiny lights in the sky that are made of gas and dust. They are so far away that they look like small dots. The stars are very hot, and they give off light and heat. We can see the stars at night, but they are too far away to touch. Passage 21. The clouds. The clouds are made of water vapor. Water vapor is water that has turned into gas. The clouds are in the sky, and they can be white, gray, or even black. The clouds help to water the plants and animals on Earth. They also help to keep the Earth cool. Passage 22. The airplane. Airplanes are big vehicles that fly in the sky. They have wings that help them fly. Airplanes have pilots who control them, and passengers who sit in seats and pay to ride. Airplanes can travel to different places on Earth, such as countries, continents, and islands. Airplanes are a great way to travel long distances. Passage 23. The human body. The human body is made up of many different parts, each with its own job. The heart pumps blood around the body, the lungs breathe in air, and the brain controls everything. The human body is amazing. It can do so many things, like walk, talk, and think. It can also heal itself when it gets hurt. Passage 24. Animals. There are many different animals in the world, each with its own unique features. Some animals can fly, some can swim, and some can even climb trees. Animals are an important part of our ecosystem. They help to keep the balance of nature. Passage 25. Plants. Plants are living things that need sunlight, water, and air to grow. They come in many different shapes and sizes, and they can be found all over the world. Plants are important for our planet. They help to clean the air and water, and they provide food and shelter for animals.